Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your Independent Stampin Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the brand new stamp set, Layering Leaves, that coordinates with a punch that carried over. This is the bow punch. And we're also going to be using the nested essential dies. Okay, of course, before we get started on the project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first off, we have our Exploring in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit makes 9 cards and has a copper clay ink spot. You have until May 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit, and there is a link in the description box below for you to subscribe. This kit also has an add-on of 18 cards and envelopes. Okay, it's $10, and you can see everything is in color now instead of the black and white that they had before, because they didn't want to show the in colors. But yeah, I would appreciate it if you subscribe for the paper pumpkin, and you will too. Next up, we have our May host code. This is the host code I would like for you to use whenever your order is $150 or less. Okay, when you place an order of $60 or more and you use this host code, Honeybee Stampin' Hive will send you a package of the opaque ovals for free as a thank you gift for purchasing with us. In addition to that, I am running a special because I'm almost close to a goal. So I just need about $400 more in sales to reach a goal I have set for myself. And for the month of May, when you use this host code and your order is $75 or more, you're going to get this package of opaque ovals as well as a sample package of the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper. That is found in the catalog. Brand new Designer Series paper. I'm giving away a sample pack for the first 8 orders, I'm going to say. Yeah. So $75 or more, use this host code. You're going to get the opaque ovals as well as the sampler pack of the Designer Series paper for the Delightfully Eclectic. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have stuffed with plus or minus $200 in new and used retired Stampin' Up products. They're in the USPS medium flat rate boxes, so that can give you an idea of how much can go in there. These boxes can only be shipped in the US, and I'm only asking $40 each for them, and the shipping is included. If you're interested in getting one of these boxes, you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Let me know you're interested, how many boxes you would like, and your payment preference. I do PayPal or Apple Pay. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started in making our project. So I have here all of our bits and pieces. So I have some Night and Navy here at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. We're going to burnish this score line down with our bone folder. Then I have some scrap Night of Navy for some stamping. We have some scrap basic white and pecan pie. These are just scraps. Then we have 2 pieces of basic white that are 3.5 by 4 3/4. One is for the inside and one is for our outside. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. Let's do our inside first. I think, no, not first. We're going to go ahead and do our pecan pie. Oh my goodness, I keep saying pumpkin pie. Pecan pie. We're going to take our bow punch and we're just going to punch out some of these leaves with that. And we're done with the pecan pie. Next up, we're going to stamp in petal pink. I couldn't remember the color. So in the petal pink, we are going to stamp one of our leaf images. Get this inked up good. Oh, I didn't think I want to stamp it on that end because of the punch. I think I want to stamp it down. You pay attention to the way your punches go. It makes it easier to put your stamps in and get them punched out. Okay, next we're going to stamp this image in Petal Pink. These are some cute. And for that one, I think it needs to go that way. I think that is it for the Petal Pink. And let's go ahead and punch this out. So we're going to have this one, and it's going to go in our punch this way. Let's line that up. Punch that out. And we're going to take this one and feed it in. Punch that out. Okay. Put our punch to the side. Let's get away from our scraps. Set these to the side. Okay, so now we're going to do some heat embossing. Let me get these to the side as well. We're going to do some heat embossing on our Night of Navy. So let me get out my grid paper for my heat embossing. My embossing buddy. I'm going to just rub that over all of our things here. And then we're going to stamp a couple of stamps using our Versamark ink. Let's see. Our sentiment is going to say, "Thanks so much." We're going to stamp that on here, about right there. Okay, and then we're going to take another small one of the branches, and then this one. These are all different. I have it, the branch stamp, the bow punch stamps, they are not the same, and I'll show you that. Now let's get our white embossing powder. And sprinkle it on our images. Okay. Got that done. Clean this mess up. Okay, we're going to heat emboss our images, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and punch out our images. So we're going to take the big one to here. Make sure it's lined up. Give that a punch. Then we're going to take this one. You could make a template so that you can stamp these side by side and punch them out at the same time, but this is just as well. You can punch them separately. It just saves you time from punching twice, that's all. But I don't mind. So let's see, where's our... Okay, so we have that. And now we need to die cut. So let's get our baby boss. Get my plates. And we have our die here from the Nested Essentials dies. Oops. I think I put that on there. Okay. Get my plates. And we're going to run this through. Okay, so now we have everything die cut and punched out. Where's my pale pink? Okay. Thought I lost something. Okay, so now we're going to stamp on our background, and I think I just might need some scrap paper. I'm not sure. So we're going to get the Petal Pink ink again, and our last stamp that we haven't used yet, and we're going to ink up some dottage. Just put a couple in the corners here. Just like that. But we're also going to take this same dottage and ink it up in pecan pie. Let me get my Simply Chamois here and clean that stamp so we can reuse it. Let me see. That's okay. Just want it like that. All right. Now we can stamp the inside of our card. On this one, we're going to stamp pecan pie. I forget. Pecan pie, where are you? This is the one. Right there. For the inside, petal pink. Gonna stamp this one just like that. And then we're gonna get our Tombow liquid adhesive, and I went ahead earlier and punched out one of these with just Night of Navy, no stamping on it. But we're gonna add this right here on the inside of our card. Oh, I guess I should put glue on the end of the stem here. That would be nice to hold that down, right? Okay, and then let's just add this to the inside of our card. I think that's a cute inside. I wanted those stems to meet more, but that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and place this down on the front of our card. No, I wanted to emboss this. Oh well. That was my idea. I wanted to emboss the white, but I forgot because I didn't take my embossing folder out, and it would have reminded me if I seen it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're going to place down some of our little branches here. So let's see. I want this to be about right there. So this will be coming out about right here, like so. Then we're gonna take, let's see. I want this. We're gonna take one of the pecan pie, the small one. Put a little glue on the back of the flowers tops. And we're gonna put that about right here, overlapping just a bit. Stay down. Then we're gonna take this petal pink one, put it right there. Yep, that is good. Okay, so now let's get the rest of our things on. Man, I wished I hadn't forgot to emboss. I really wanted this to be embossed. I wanted to add more interest to the white background. Okay. There we go. Now what we're going to do is get our Stampin' Dimensionals. We use some mini blacks since we're using a dark color here. They fit pretty good in these corners as well. And let's see, do a few more. That should be good. Let's take the backings off of there. So have you guys gotten your orders put in yet? I know I haven't gotten a lot of stuff, but I still have a big wish list. So we're gonna put this about right there, like that. Is that straight? I think so. And then lastly, what we're going to do is add some bling. I have some just regular rhinestone jewels here. We're going to get our take your pick tool. Ooh. That's not broken. It's supposed to come out like that. I just need to lock it in place so I can pull my cap off. So let's get some of these rhinestones. Put one there. One here. One right here. We're going to use these small ones and such. I think that's good. What do you guys think? This is cute, right? The inside. That's it. That's all, you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.